Check out our newest feature release. This one is on the updated QuickBooks integration. So what is the new QuickBooks integration with automatic sales receipt sync? Well, let me tell you, our CRM now seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks in a more robust way, automating your data entry and enhancing your workflows so that new contacts are effortlessly synced and customers receive review requests upon payment. Why this is going to matter and how it's going to help your business. All new contacts created in QuickBooks are automatically going to be synced within our CRM. Customers are sent review requests upon payment. Sales receipts are now automatically registered in QuickBooks when payments are made through the system. Let me show you how to go ahead and access the new updated link. Go ahead and go to Settings in your left-hand menu. From there, go ahead and click on Integrations. When the upper navigation menu opens, I want you to go ahead and click on Integrations again. From there, go ahead and locate the QB Connect, which is the QuickBooks connection, and go ahead and click on it. You're going to now be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account, so go ahead and log in. Once you're all logged in, make sure you hit the Connect button. And now you're connected. Contacts and sales receipts are now synced, and you can trigger review requests in your workflows. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.